warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Intan Herlina, NIM 342121 from English Class B. Here I will explain a little about self-talk to improve student intrapersonal communication skill according to the mini journal that I made. And this video was made to fulfill the final semester assignment. The mini journal that I created also received reference or quotes from several journals. The first of which was the journal from Suci and Ivana 2019 with the title Interpersonal Communication or Self-Talk as a Prevention of Self-Harm in Adolescence. The second is Nisa Jamilatun 2021 with the title Islamic Guidance and Counseling Thesis with Self-Talk Technique to Improve Interpersonal Communication in Adolescence. And finally, there is a journal from Nurliana and Sherin 2020 with the title Overcoming Stress in Adolescence during the COVID pandemic with self-talk technique. Okay, just go to the first material. There is introduction. In this modern area, communication is indispensable in our daily activities. Both communication with yourself and with others. Communication is human need throughout its life, including someone who is starting to grow up. Intrapersonal communication is communication carried out by the individual himself who internally acts as a communicator by using the individual own language or thought. Intrapersonal communication is very useful to improve our ability to communicate in society. Having good communication skill can also create a successful goal. For that, we need to improve ourselves about our communication, namely with self-talk. Self-talk is very important to improve our communication skill. Self-talk is able to have individuals develop their rational minds, so that will create positive behavior from the individual himself. And self-talk is usually carried out by individuals by interpreting their own feelings, changing understanding and giving direction to themselves. And self-talk is the art of dialogue with oneself. Is an activity carried out by individual is respond to personal experience, message from other and so on. Next, review and literature. Conceptually, intrapersonal communication is the process of communicating with oneself. That is how one receives information, processes stories in and generates a reason. Talking to oneself, or what is commonly referred to as self-talk, is a form of interpersonal communication, meaning that communication is carried out by individuals to themselves, whether consciously or not. Self-talk professes that there are many benefits that individuals can gain by doing self-talk like this. It will be easy to find solutions with a cool head. By doing self-talk also makes the mind more positive and healthy, but can also increase focus on something. Ways or strategies to get rid of negative feelings or bad emotions. One way that can be done is with self-talk. Self-talk is a technique that aims to help change negative thoughts that arise in a person into positive thought. Self-talk is a way to be able to dialogue with yourself. with of word that come to my mind of individual can be negative or positive. Negative self-talk will affect a person to become a pessimistic person, not confident, and other traits that do not turn him into a good person. Words that include negative self-talk, for example, I'm stupid, I can't do this, I'm scared. While positive self-talk is a word in a person that can help him to calm down when faced with situation. This word will increase his confidence so it doesn't make things worse. Forms of statement, for example, I can, I must be enthusiastic, I dare, and other words of encouragement that can support his mental state to remain stable. Okay, next method. In this paper, use a descriptive method. That is one method is whose purpose is to present a complete picture of a social setting, or is it intended to explore and clarify a phenomenon. Next, discussion. We as social beings who are accustomed to communicating also need to learn good communication skill. To create reciprocity, communication is a very important human need because it is very useful for its existence in society. Communication reflects the character of the individual and his role. Intrapersonal communication also has an impact on individual relationship with other individuals. If we can manage our interpersonal communication well, the individual communication process with other individuals goes well. Self-talk is the art of dialogue with oneself. Is an activity carried out by individuals in response to personal experience, interpreting messages from others, and so on. Self-talk is usually influenced by the individual's subconscious being expressing. Version talks that are spoken in the heart, so that suggestion usually appear for themselves. Okay, conclusion. There are many ways to improve communication skill, one of which is self-talk. Positive self-talk leads to more rational thinking and can help calm you down. For those of us who have never learned to self-talk, there is no need to worry. Skill in communication itself are useful as a medium to connect a goal. We as social beings who are accustomed to communicating also need to learn skill in good communication in order to create reciprocity. Communication is a very important human need because it is very useful for its existence in society. Communication reflects the character of the individual and his role. Okay, that is all that I can say, more or less sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.